I don't know, I feel like it just, I don't know. Ingenuity at its finest. This guy, fucking genius. Let me tell you, Guinness. Shit is brand new fresh. Whoa. I can smell it, man. Imagine I dropped it. Except this shit doesn't really puff up like that. It's like wet. Right? It's like kinetic sand. Fucking child. Alright, let's do this. Play with it. Oh man, I should stink. This is lethal. Easy, it's like drugs. Easy. Drop. Don't sneeze. Oh my god, it's like instantly tickles. Alright. Now, gotta try to do my best to be quiet now. Oh god. Oh, it's so tickly. God. Tickles so much. Oh shit. Chew. Chew. Huh? Chew. I'm failing at this. Oh my god, it's so tickly. Help me. Help me. Don't stick it. It's not. Still gotta sneeze. Still so sneezy. Oh fuck. Help me. Oh shit. No. Oh fuck. Okay. I think I'm in a little bit better shape now. Maybe. Just trying not to breathe through this side. Ah, yeah. I'll just sit like this. Forever.